Hello everyone, Breck Muller, physician assistant with Breck Aesthetics and Wellness. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between the plasma pen and the CO2 fractional laser. I get lots of questions about this daily. Both of these devices do very similar things. They're going to help with skin rejuvenation, they're going to help with fine lines, wrinkles, age spots. The main difference is that the plasma pen is very precise and it's very small areas that we typically use it in. So I can't do the CO2 device on the upper lids here or up underneath really close to the eye. So if you're wanting some help with some lid lag or bags under the eyes or heaviness, plasma pen is definitely going to be the best for that. I can also use the plasma pen in smaller areas around the ear and right along the lip line, so for precise tuning. The CO2 device is going to be for melasma, age spots, fine lines, wrinkles, rosacea. It works really well to take off some dermatological conditions such as a seborrheic keratosis, things like that. And it can be used anywhere on the body. I just got done last week doing hands, we've done stomach, the arms, especially with the weight loss industry exploding right now. Crepey skin and kind of loose skin has been a huge problem for multiple patients. And so if you want something that can take care of that anywhere on the body, come see me for a CO2 treatment. We'll get you taken care of. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and share some of our content. We would greatly appreciate it.